Ooh, right, jack it up, love. Jack it up, and I'll catch it when it tries to jump at me. Here it comes. Go on. Go on. One more. One more. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, that's it. That's it, love. Pull. Ooh, there's the paint. Right, up a bit more. That's it. There we come. And where are we at? Right, watch your toes. Can't stand seeing you working flip-flops. So, there we have it. One prehistoric Kakamundo 5L. Oh, of course, the juicy bits are you want to see the pistons, don't you? Right, we've got to drain the oil out of this, so just help pull it back a bit, love. Pull it back a bit more, so we can get in and out the shop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's take it down a little bit for safety. That'll do. Right, now then, well, I can turn it by hand, can't I? Ow! Shut the door, it says. So, cack everywhere. I can't stand diesel oil. I really hate diesel oil. But, look at them there, stamp marks on the pistons. You can actually see where it says made in Japan on that one. And funny enough, that one, excuse me, oh, that one wasn't seating. He's all burnt up. See that? So that would be where half my power was going, or should I say that's where 20% of my power was going. It wasn't firing properly on number 2, and that's also bent now. All the other valves, all these other ones here, they've all held fluid, so chances are they're all okay. Now that one, he's bent. Put him in a drill. So, I've been on eBay, and the good people from China do thousands and thousands of kits. But if you want to bear with me, I can't go pausing buttons and stuff because of the state of my fingers. If I just do that and that, there we go. So, L overhaul kit, 5L overhaul kit. Yes, pistons, liners, bearings, valves. I can't see any cam bearings in there, but I mean it's a pretty damn good set, isn't it? I might have to shell out for some cam bearings and a few other little bits and pieces. But that's what we're going to go with. So I'll leave it there. Well, actually, tomorrow I've got to go right through the engine and find out just exactly how bad it is, but this could be the possible get out clause later. Is it beer time? It must be beer time after all that. 4 o'clock. Well, 4 o'clock is beer time today, as soon as I got all this cack off of me. It'd be 5 o'clock by the time I got all this cack off my hands. Oh, still recording. Later.